The mystery of God is Christ. You get to see that in Him, in Christ, are hidden all treasures of wisdom and knowledge. A songwriter says, I need no other arguments. I need no other plea. It is enough that Jesus Christ died for me. If you get to understand the mystery of God, which is Christ, if you get to know and have that personal encounter and relationship with Christ, nothing else matters. Nothing on social media will get you doubting this Jesus you have trusted. Nothing in this world will turn your focus from Christ. Once you get to understand Jesus, no matter what they try to do to you, no matter what they say, you will tell them, I need no argument, I need no other plea. It is enough, it is enough, it is enough that Jesus died for me.